This video is all about how to replace your heel studs. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. This video is all about how to replace your heel studs. Now, what is a heel stud? A heel stud is that little stopper at the end of your heel, that rubber piece that keeps you from click-clacking on the floor, okay? You kind of know what it sounds like when it's gone or when it needs to be replaced. It helps you keep stable, and a lot of times it protects the ends of whatever is covering up your heel as well. This is an easy and cheap fix, especially if you have a good cobbler on standby. And if you're like me, sometimes we just want to do it ourselves. I'll be sure to link everything that I'm using, and if I can, the heels as well, in the description box below. So let's get into fixing my heels. What you'll need is a kit. This kit comes with the pliers and it comes with 5 different tab sizes for your heels. First, we need to figure out which size is going to work best for our heels. I believe it's the smallest size, but let's confirm. These are the heels that I'm going to be repairing. As you can see, this tab is all the way down to the studs, honey. So we're going to remove it and see if this size works. So this is the other shoe. As you can see, it's a little small, so I'm going to get one that's a little bit bigger. This is the size of that one, and this is more that size. It is a little crooked, but I can tell that this is a closer size than that smaller one. Now we're going to take our pliers and the end of our shoe, pull the cap off. So this one is a little stubborn, but I got it out. Okay. Make sure that the flat tip lines up with your heel in the proper way. So we're going to take the stud, put it in. Now we're going to hammer that stud in. Now that that heel is done, let's do the other one. I did both of my heel tips and now they're good to go for my next wear. So that is it, girl. Very quick, easy way to replace the tabs on the ends of your heels. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. And since you made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video, those pics specifically for you.